My name is Dr. Asif Mahmood. I'm here with the Honorable Congressman Brad Sherman. We both have been strong supporters of Pakistan, especially Pakistani people, over the decades to elevate their life. We have worked on several different projects to help Pakistan. It is very important that when something happens which is not the core value of American values like democracy and human rights abuse, we should raise our voice. We have noticed in last several months, especially last few days, very disturbing and worrisome developments have happened. People have been brutally beaten while they are demonstrating, elections have been delayed, and there is not a real course of democracy in Pakistan at this time. It is very important that we keep a check on the future of democracy in Pakistan. We believe right of freedom of speech, freedom of expression, and freedom to demonstrate peacefully is the core value of democracy. Recently, there have been quite a bit disturbing news, especially there is a huge threat to Imran Khan's life, who is the leader of opposition. I would strongly urge Pakistani authorities to look into true democratic values and have the rule of law, but I would ask Congressman Brad Sherman to discuss this in more detail. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I want to thank Dr. Asif Mahmood for keeping me informed on what's going on in Pakistan almost daily, and for his friendship and dedication to human rights. I'm Congressman Brad Sherman from California's best named city, Sherman Oaks. And for 26 years, I've served on the Congress's Foreign Affairs Committee, where I've dedicated myself to democracy and human rights. Pakistan is a partner and a friend of the United States. It's been a friend of the United States since the early 1940s, when my grandfather worked in Karachi on technical education for the United Nations